Crimson shadows brush the wall, listening for the night to call. Pale reflections ghost the stone, still we wander, never alone. Time is a river, time is sea, threading through a hidden dream. Echoes from a far-off shore of a home we knew long before. And the water flows where the river goes. Carry me away to the edge of day. Ah, floating in the luminous deep, inside the reveries we keep sailing on the wind, loosening our hold, shaping faded silhouettes.